In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Booking.com password on a laptop. This is a straightforward process that should take just a few minutes. Knowing how to change your password is an important skill for ensuring your account stays secure. Let's dive in and take it step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to www.booking.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in to your account. So look for the login button, which you'll typically find at the top right-hand corner of the web page. Enter your email and password details and click on the login button to gain access to your account. If you've forgotten your password, make sure to use the Forgot Password feature and follow the prompts to reset it before proceeding. Now that you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. Click on that icon to bring up a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the Account option. This will lead you to a page full of important settings related to your account. From here, look for and click on Security Settings. This is where you'll find the controls you need to manage your password and other security measures. Once you're in the Security Settings section, you'll see an option labeled Change Password. Go ahead and click on that to start the process of updating your password. This step is crucial to ensure the continued security of your Booking.com account, especially if you suspect any unusual activity. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter your current password. Once you've done that, it's time to choose a new password. When creating a new password, make sure it's strong and unique. A good password usually includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. It's also a good idea to avoid using easily guessable words or sequences like password 123 or your birth date. After entering your new password, you'll need to confirm it by typing it again in the provided field. Double check to make sure both entries match exactly, as this helps prevent login issues later on and confirms that you've typed it correctly twice. Finally, look for a button that says Save or Confirm. Clicking this will update your password in the system. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your password change was successful. This means your new password is now active and you can use it the next time you log in. Congratulations, you've successfully changed your Booking.com password. Always keep your passwords secure and update them regularly to maintain your online safety. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.